today I'm going to blow some insulation into my attic. There's practically nothing there. It's all compacted over the last 30 years. So, I'm going to use these rollers that AttiCat provides. I'm going for R39, which would be 14 inches worth of insulation with what I've got there, the little bit I've got there, plus the new stuff. I've got 40 bags. We'll see how many we can use. This is our truck bringing it in. It took me 2 loads for the truck. I got 30 on one pickup load, and then the other pickup load was 10 bundles plus the machine. And the machine came with 150 feet of hose, so there were 2 big trash buckets of that in there, plus the extension cord that they supply. And at Home Depot, if you buy 30 or more bags, they give you this AttiCat machine for free. You rent it for 24 hours and get your deposit back. And I've got my goggles, got my mask. I think we're all set to go. So let's put some insulation up in that attic. Well, here's the view of my attic before we put insulation in. Here's one of those measuring sticks, if you will. So my plan is to get up to at least R39. One of the things you might consider doing is building a little dam around the entrance to your attic. Here my attic was only a board wide, or tall rather, a board tall, and to get R39 it's got to be higher than that. So what I did was I've got some hardboard and I just set that around the opening of my attic. That way, I'll be able to get the depth of the insulation right up to the opening of my attic. Here's just another shot from down at the floor level. Here's my staging area. I'm doing is splitting the bales, and Greg here is feeding them in. And Kim is our hose person.
I had the hard job.
So he worked at the Rochester development facility for IBM for, I think up until the 80s, and then he went to work for some company that was in Chicago.
I worked for Honeywell
For years. I always knew you were a nerd.
very much. I wear that as a badge of honor.
Yeah. I was a pretty geeky, nerdy kid myself as a kid.
People are saying now that everybody is
Well, no, I don't know. I kind of know. I could make many studies because I had that happen to me when I was. I'm still going to tell you, you have nothing far side that's kind of why I think it falls, because it's
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. I'm really hoping for that. 'Cause it's warm in there or something. Okay, we're down half. We're down from 40 bales to 20 bales. And this has taken us an hour and a half, 90 minutes so far. Not bad at all. Here it is. This is after. It took 2.5 hours to do approximately 2,000 square feet. It took 32 bags to do the 2,000 square feet. And this was just what little mess there was from the last few feet in the attic. Well, that wasn't too bad. 2.5 hours, and we used 32 bags. So after we finished mine, we went across the street and did my neighbors, the 2 people that were helping me on this project. And we didn't need as much in his attic, so we got done with theirs pretty quick. So there it is. Easy. Get the right combination of people helping you. They say 2 people. One working the machine, putting in the bundles, and the other one up in the attic. We found 3 would be better, because you need that one person at the edge of the attic opening to keep the hose either pulling it out, putting it in. All worked pretty good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next project.